Hey friends, how are we? I don't have the heart to tell you this, but I just recorded a brilliant lesson 14.1 for you, and I got only the first minute on the camera, and then the rest I just missed completely. Don't judge me, I'm just human. Like I said yesterday, I made mistakes, I don't have to it, so I made a mistake and I'm owning it. Alright, so it's this bit right here. I accidentally clicked stop sharing in my video, which was just a bad move on my part. But this is a fun lesson. Maybe. We're going to build solids using unit cubes. Maybe. If you're at home, you have to use the magic powers of your imagination. If you're at school, get some cubes from your teacher. All right? Okay. Today our goal is to be able to say I can build solids using unit cubes, and I can determine the number of units in an irregular solid. Much simpler than it sounds. Okay? Let's review what a unit cube is. A unit cube is a cube that is measured in some sort of units. Okay? It's a cube in which all the edges are 1 unit long. It could be 1 foot long, 1 centimeter long, 1 meter long. Doesn't matter as long as we're just using all the same units. A cube has 6 square faces. All the faces, all the flat two-dimensional faces are congruent, meaning equal. That's like the geometry term for equal. And the length of all of the edges, the 12 edges, are equal. Here is another unit cube, and here is a solid built of 2 unit cubes. You think you got that? I think you've got that too. Okay. We're being asked to use snap cubes, which your teachers at school have, but which we at home maybe do not, but to build those solids. What you can also do is imagine that you built those solids and then count the number of cubes in each. Let's see if you can do it faster than I can. Okay, ready, set, go. Solid A is made up of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cubes, right? All right. Solid B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh, 7. We're getting up in the higher digits there. Okay. Solid C is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And don't miss that sneaky little monkey back there that's hiding. Also, nope, you're down here. No, down here. 7. This is not 77. Ignore that. And solid D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Why do you do that? We used to be tight. We used to be friends. All right. Let me fix that one either. Okay. 6, 7, 7, 8. Agree? Of course you do. All right. Again, each of these solids is made up of 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 cubes. I think you can manage that. Down at the bottom, what I want you to start wrapping your head around is sometimes you cannot see all the cubes. So even if you're at school, look at your book, you still need to use your imagination and imagine that if you have a layer of 6 cubes on the top, you've also got a full layer of 6 cubes, not just 4, but 6 on the bottom for a total of 12. All right? Excellent. I'm like setting just like land speed records. So if I was at school, I'd hand you cubes right now and we would start building models. So, whoa. What it wants us to do is build solids using 2 cubes, okay? When you put 2 cubes together, literally that's the only thing you can do. This is the same thing, it's just tipped over, okay? If you build them with 3 cubes, you can either get 1, 2, 3 cubes in a row, or you can make an L shape. That's it. As soon as you get to 4 cubes, then you can start making more. A lot more, actually. You can get an L shape, you can get a line shape, you can get a couple different L shapes, a couple different line shapes. That's about it. And a square shape too. Okay, so that's what we do if we were at school. So if you're at school, do that. If you're not, yeah. Okay. Let's take a look here. I'm curious to see if you can do this as fast as I can. If not faster, tell me how many cubes might be in each solid. And it says some of the cubes may be hidden, but I don't know. Look around. Let me know if you see any. Not sure that I do. All right, red ones. How many are there? Oh my gosh, you're brilliant. Yellow ones. How many are there? Did you get 6? Geniuses. You should graduate 5th grade already. All right, number 3. How many are there? 9, you say? Oh my gosh. Awesome. And number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. We're we're done. We're like in the last chapter of the book, and we're just rocking the house. Never mind that we've got like 5 chapters to go back and redo. We're just crushing it right now. Yeah. How about this one here? Oh, this is one of those sneaky ones where there's cubes hiding. Don't let it get you. So if there's 4 up here, then below it there must also be 4 for a total of, no, not 44, 8, and then 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. What is it, friends? Oh, did you all yell 15? I watch a lot of PBS and shows for 2 and 4-year-olds because I have a 2 and a 4-year-old at this time, unless you're watching this video like 5, 10 years down the road, then they're like teenagers that are driving me nuts right now. But right now they're 2 and they're 4. And yeah. Anyway, the point of the story is that, 15 cubes there. All right. Excellent. Oh my gosh. Quick lesson. Yay. And if you're not at school, you don't even have to do this one because you don't have snap cubes. If you were at school, do this with snap cubes. And if you were at school with me, I would be walking around and laughing and watching you suffer because there's actually quite a few different combinations you could do with 5. And then when people say, this is how many we got, are we done? And I'd go, no. And then I'd, do like a fairly evil laugh, like a super villain. It's pretty rad. Yeah. If you want to try and sketch some different patterns, or if you have cubes or blocks at home, that's something you can do. Otherwise, we'll just have to move on. Your assignment is most likely going to be these 2 workbook pages. They're the ones that go with the lesson. And then do the IXL lessons that go with Chapter 14, Lesson 1 in your skill focus in IXL. What am I talking? Yeah. You know what I'm talking about. All right. Other than that, here's your workbook pages. Some of you these are pair decked, so depending on how your teacher wants them, you might have to do it on paper, or you can do it via pair deck, whatever your instructor says. So that's it. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna go teach an actual lesson because I'm doing these in the morning now, which is maybe why I'm peppy. And I'll record some more today and see you tomorrow. That's it. Bye bye, friends, and we'll catch you on the flip side.